In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prototype in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure your frames are laid out in the order a user would move through them. Think of it like arranging pages in a story. With your design visible, look to the right-hand sidebar and switch from the Design tab to the Prototype tab. This is where you connect elements. Define what happens when someone interacts with them and control how screens transition. You'll notice your canvas stays the same, but the right panel changes to prototyping options. Next, create your first connection. Click an object, like a primary button, and you'll see a small blue plus node appear. Drag that node to the destination frame, the screen you want to show after the user clicks. This blue line is your interaction link. If your destination is an overlay, or a small panel that appears on top of the current screen, you can still connect it the same way. You'll just choose the appropriate action in a moment. With the connection selected, set your triggers and actions. Pick how the interaction should start: on click for buttons, on drag for carousels, or hover for subtle reveals. Then choose what happens as a result, such as navigate to for moving between screens or open overlay for layered content. Fine. Tune the transition by selecting an animation type and timing, so it feels natural and matches the behavior you are designing. For smooth automatic movement between similar elements, enable Smart Animate in the animation settings. This tells Figma to interpolate differences like position, size, or opacity across matching layers. Creating fluid micro-interactions. Keep your layer names and structure consistent between frames to get the best results, and adjust duration or easing to control the feel. Now define where the prototype begins. In the Prototype tab, find the Flow Starting Point section and click the plus icon, or right-click a frame and set it as the start. This ensures that when you preview, Figma knows exactly which screen to load first. Finally, click the play icon in the top right corner to open the presentation view and test your prototype. Interact with every button, hover state, and drag gesture to confirm that each connection, trigger, and animation behaves as intended. When everything feels right, you are ready to present or share your interactive flow. Teach Tays all to it. Thanks for watching.